Hi folks, welcome to Windish RV in Longmont, Colorado. I'm Gary, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of the Transcend 265BH by Grand Design. Hi folks, on the 265BH you have a huge pass-through storage. This goes all the way through, it's unobstructed. You also have your hookups right here. So you can do a city water into this port or flip it and fill your fresh tank from the same port. You have your battery cutoff, you have your outdoor GFI outlets, you have your satellite and cable hookups, and you have a door here to bring your hoses up so you can lock this outside. It's also lit in here, and right here is your Furrion solar controller because this unit has solar on it. On the back of the 265BH, like all Grand Design units, they come with a ladder. Competition doesn't do that. On the 265BH, you have a huge lighted big cubic storage. This is in addition to your pass-through. It is an aluminum sided unit, but the aluminum on this unit is 25% thicker than on the competition, so it'll hold up way better than theirs will. You also have a full-size spare tire. Who doesn't need that? Maybe some days. This will be great for you. The Transcend 265 has the electric awning. It's a nice large awning. Comes out real nice and easy just by pressing a button. In the 265BH on the inside, you have a double over double bunk. They are 74 inches long, double wide, great for the kids and their friends. You have some great storage for the kids back here, some hanging storage, a couple of cubbies, 2 drawers on the steps so that they can fill those up with their socks or swimming trunks or whatever. You have the TV. Now this TV will pull out and turn so the kids can watch from bed if they want, or you can watch from the couch. Some great counter space. It's really a nice area. And it's right across from your U-shaped dinette. This also makes into a bed. Over here we have your big sink, 3-burner stove, a Furrion. You have a nice oven. All of the dials act as a night light if you want. Over here you have a big fridge. Now folks, this is a battery operated fridge, so you don't have any of the stuff in back. It's much deeper. It will run while you go down the road, which is nice. Many of you probably wonder, well, what about my battery? It'll go crazy. We put solar on this to keep your battery charged, so you can run this thing all the time and still have plenty of battery. As we walk into the bathroom, as we move into the bedroom, you have a full-size queen bed. So it's 60 by 80. It's not an RV 74-incher. It's 60 by 80. Good storage for hanging on both sides. You also have a cubby underneath on both sides and outlets all over the place. Folks, thanks for joining us for the walkthrough of the 265 Transcend by Grand Design. If you have any questions on this unit, feel free to give me, Gary, a call here at our Longmont location. And make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Have a great day and happy camping.